Hello everyone. I welcome 4th class maths teachers, students and parents to this digital maths class. Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying our digital classes. Children, today's lesson is how much does it weigh? That means it is regarding measuring the weights of various objects. But before going into our lesson, let us see what you are going to learn from this lesson. Learning outcomes. Children, after completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand the weights in terms of kilograms and grams. Use the weights to measure the weight of various things. Relate kilogram with a gram. Estimate the weight of an object and verifies it using a balance. Solves problems of weights, kilograms and grams. Appreciate the conservation of weight. Children, these were the learning outcomes of our lesson today. Now let us start our lesson with a picture. Look at this picture. What are the children in the picture doing? Yes, they are trying to lift some weights. How they are lifting them? Yes, in the first picture, the girl is lifting the weight very easily, but in the second picture, the boy is feeling difficulty in lifting the weights. Why is it so? Yes, in the first picture, it was a lighter weight, and in the second picture, it was a heavier weight. Children, look at this picture. What is this man doing here? Yes, he is weighing some objects. This is called balance. The balance is used to weigh the weights. Various weights will be used for measuring the weights of the objects. Now look at this picture. Observe the balance in this picture. Here the balance is very big and the weight used here is also very big, and the thing which is going to be measured here is also heavier. So for measuring heavier weights, this type of balances are used in shops. Children, these are the weights of different sizes. 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram and 10 kilograms. These weights will be used to measure items of various weights. You see these weights in kirana shops and also in vegetable shops. Children, look at these weights. Now, let us see Nandini, a 4th class girl. She is going to hold them and feel their weights. She wants to check the weight of these weights. Let us see.
1 kilo weight. 2 kilo weight. 5 kilo weight.
Oh,
10 kilos weight.
okay. Which is heavier?
10 kilos weight.
Which is the lighter?
1 kilo weight.
Very good. Thank you, Nandini. Children, you have seen how Nandini tried to hold the weights and estimated the weights of the things. And she felt difficulty in lifting the 10 kilograms weight. Children, you also might have lifted these weights many times. If not felt their weight till now, try to hold them and feel their weights in a grocery shop. And also try to make packets of 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 5 kilos and 10 kilos using mud or sand in a cover. Children, now look at some objects given here. Let's see them and estimate their weights. Children, here is a book, a school bag, a cricket ball, a watermelon, an ice cream, a chair, a brick and a pair of slippers. Children, out of these objects, which are the items having more than 1 kilogram? Yes, the objects having more than 1 kilogram are here a school bag, a watermelon, yes, very good, and a chair. Thus, the other items like a book, a brick, an ice cream cone and a pair of slippers are less than a kilo. And now look at these pictures. Identify the objects which have weight about 10 kilograms. Children, it's a cricket bat. What may be the weight of this bat? No, it couldn't be around 10 kilograms, right? Yes. What about this girl? Yes, this girl may be 10 kilos weight. And this chair, it couldn't be around 10 kilograms of weight, right? And coming to this table, definitely it may weigh above 10 kilograms. Thus, the girl and the table may weigh about 10 kilograms. The chair and the bat may not weigh about 10 kilograms. Now, let us see some pictures and try to guess their weights. Children, here you can see an elephant, a bird, a tiger, a dog and a girl. Now let us see their weights. Their weights are as follows: 30 kgs, more than 1000 kgs, 300 kgs, 15 kgs and less than 1 kilogram of weight. Now children, let us match these pictures with their appropriate weights. Children, look at this elephant. We all know that elephant is the heaviest of all the animals. Its weight will be more than 1000 kilograms. Yes, the next bird. This bird is very little. Children, most of the birds weigh below 1 kilogram only. Now coming to the tiger. Tiger is also a very big animal, but not as big as an elephant. Thus, its weight may be around 300 kilograms. Now, coming to a dog, you all know that it may weigh around 15 kgs. And this girl is of 4th class, may weigh around 30 kgs. Children, which is the heaviest of all these? Yes, elephant with more than 1000 kgs. The lightest is the bird with less than 1 kilogram of weight. Now let us see a truck. Children, this is a truck. It is carrying luggage in it. This luggage is of household items. We load our items in such a trucks while shifting from one place to another. Rajendra and Padma are shifting their house. So they hired this truck and they have loaded their household items in this truck. Children, here you can see various household items. This is an almirah, a refrigerator, chairs, suitcases, television, a table and some kitchen utensils. They are packed in a sack. Now let us see these objects and their weights in detail. Children, how much does the truck carry? The luggage is bed and its weight is 45 kilograms. Refrigerator 60 kilograms, TV 15 kilograms, utensils 10 kilograms, suitcases 60 kilograms. Table and chairs are 25 kilograms, almirah is 30 kilograms. Now children, can you tell me what is the weight the truck is carrying? Yes, to know the answer we have to add all these weights together. Thus, how much weight is the truck carrying means the total weight the truck carrying is 45 kgs plus 60 kgs plus 15 kgs plus 10 kgs plus 60 kgs plus 25 kgs plus 30 kgs. That means the weight of all these items together is 245 kilograms. Children, thus the truck is carrying 245 kilograms. Children, Rajendra and Padma, they have agreed to pay ₹20 per 1 kilo of luggage. Now let us see how much amount will be paid to the truck owner. The luggage loaded is 245 kilograms. If Rajendra and Padma are paying ₹20 for every kilogram of luggage, how much money will they pay to the truck driver? The total weight the truck carrying is 245 kilograms. Thus, the cost to carry 1 kilo of luggage is ₹20. Children, Here the cost of 1 kilogram is given and the cost of more kilograms, that means 245 kilograms is asked. So in such situation we will apply the multiplication process. The total amount to carry 245 kilograms of luggage is equal to 245 into rupees 20. That means rupees 4,900 rupees. Children, Padma and Rajendra have to pay 4,900 rupees to the truck owner. Now children, let us see a shop with bigger weights. Children, look at this picture. Yes, in this picture you can see a very big balance and the weight used is also very big. Can you guess this shop? Yes, this is shop of mattresses and pillows. Some cotton is lying here. This lady makes mattresses and pillows. Children, look at the weight used here. It is very big. It is more than 10 kilograms. Now let us see how much cotton is Sultana using to stitch the mattresses. Sultana makes mattresses and pillows with cotton. She has 145 kgs of cotton with her. She used 20 kgs of cotton for making one mattress and 2 kgs to make 2 pillows. How much cotton is left with her now? Children, weight of cotton she had at her shop, 145 kilograms. Weight of cotton she used. Children, she used 20 kgs for the mattress and 2 kgs for the pillow. Together she used 22 kilograms of cotton. Now the remaining cotton in the shop is 145 kgs minus 22 kgs. That means 123 kgs of cotton is still remaining in the shop. Children, shops like Sultana's will use bigger weights. Let us have a look. Look at this weight. Yes, this is a weight of 50 kilograms. And look at this weight. This is the weight of 100 kilograms. Children, we have seen the heavier objects and heavier weights. If we want to measure the weights of less than 1 kilogram, then what do we use? Yes, there is a standard measuring units for measuring weights less than a kilo. It is a gram. Children, look at this weight. This is the weight of 50 grams, the weight of 100 grams, the weight of 200 grams, 500 grams and 1 kilogram. Children, we can express 1 kilogram as 1000 grams. Children, 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. Now let us see some grams in terms of kilograms. Children, look at these weights. This is 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 5 kilograms and 10 kilograms. Now let us know them in terms of grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, 2 kilograms is equal to 2000 grams, 5 kilograms is equal to 5000 grams and 10 kilograms is equal to 10,000 grams. We have seen the weight of 50 kilos. On converting 50 kilos, we will get 50,000 grams. And coming to 100 kgs weight, it becomes 100,000 grams. Without using the weights also, people are measuring the weights of the things. Children, let us see a video of measuring smaller items in grams. Children, we know that the smaller weights are measured in grams. Now let us measure the weights of few objects. First, let's see the weight of this cock. Yes, you can see it is 6 grams weight. Now let us see the weight of the eraser. Oh, 15 grams. But it is much more smaller than the cock, right? Now let us see the weight of this scissor. Oh, this is also around 15 grams. Now, let us see the weight of this marker. Oh, it is 11 grams. Oh, its cap is here. Now, let us see the weight of this marker along with its cap. It is 14 grams. Children, the weight of this marker was 14 grams. Earlier, it was 11 grams only. Then can you guess the weight of this cap? Yes, 14 minus 11. That means the weight of this cap would be around 3 grams. Let us check the weight of this cap now. Yes, the weight of this cap is 3 grams. Children, you have seen the measuring of smaller objects. Now let us see some smaller objects and guess their weights. Children, look at this pencil. The weight of this pencil would be around 3 grams. Encircle the objects which are heavier than this pencil. Children, here you will see some objects and you have to identify their weight in terms of the pencil. This is a pin, a spoon, an ant, a seed of tamarind and a teacup. Children, can you guess the weights of these objects? Yes. Which are the objects less weight than the pencil? The pin, the ant, a seed of tamarind will have lesser weight than this pencil, and the spoon and the cup will definitely weigh more than this pencil. Children, look at these packets. When we go to market, we buy many products. The weight is marked on the products in this way. Go to a grocery shop, look around there and try to find some products with these weights. Things that weigh about 50 grams, things that weigh about 150 grams, things that weigh about 250 grams, things that weigh about 500 grams and things that weigh about 1 kilograms. Children, try to know the names of those things and record them here. Children, Mary, a small girl, she wanted to buy 1 kilogram of washing powder. The shopkeeper told her that he only sell washing powder in the packets of 100 grams, 250 grams and 500 grams. Children, you know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, right? And Mary wanted to buy 1 kilogram of washing powder. But in that shop, there is no 1 kilogram packet. Instead, they have smaller packets than 1 kilo. Then, in how many ways does Mary can buy the 1 kilogram of washing powder? Let us see. How many ways can Mary buy 1 kilogram of washing powder? Children, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. That means 500 grams plus 500 grams. She can take 2 500 gram packets for making it 1 kilogram. Now let us see the next way. For 1 kilogram, she can take 250 grams plus 250 grams plus 250 grams and 250 grams. That means she can take 4 packets of 250 grams each to make it 1 kilogram. Look at another way. If she want to take 100 grams packets, how many packets she has to take? Yes, you are right, children. Mary can buy 10 packets of 100 grams each. 10 100 grams make 1 kilogram. That means 10 100 grams is equal to 1000 grams. Children, now look at this balance shown here. On this balance, on one side the weight of 1 kilo is kept and the other side various weights have been kept and equaled with this 1 kilogram. Observe these weights: 500 grams, 200 grams, 200 grams, 50 grams and 50 grams. On adding all these weights, we will get 1000 grams, that equal to 1 kilo. Now let us see another weight. Here on one side 1 kilogram weight is kept and the other side only two weights have been kept, 500 grams and 200 grams. And what would be the remaining weight to be kept here? Yes, we can keep 100 grams, 100 grams and 100 grams to make them 1000 grams. Children, in this way we can balance with 1 kilo of weight with many other ways. Look at this picture, children. What do you see? It is a balance. On one side there is 5 kilogram of stone, and on the other side 2 kilograms of stone, and for the remaining weight newspapers are kept. This balance is equal. That means the stone and the newspaper equal to 5 kilograms. That means the stone is 2 kilograms of weight, and what is the weight of these newspapers? Yes, the weight of these newspapers is 3 kilograms. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 kilograms. Children, Kishan has got some stones weighing 5 kilograms, 2 kilograms and 6 kilograms. If he wanted to measure 1 kilogram of newspaper, he will weigh like this. One side 6 kilograms and the other side 5 kilograms and newspapers about 1 kilograms. For measuring 4 kgs of newspaper, he uses the stones like this. 6 kgs on one side and 2 kgs and 4 kgs of newspaper on the other side. For measuring 3 kgs of newspaper, he uses the stones in this way. 5 kgs on one side and 2 kgs weighing stone and 1 kg of newspaper. Nowadays the vendors are using digital weighing machine. Without the weights, they can measure the weights of the objects. Look at those digital weighing machines. Here he is a goldsmith. He is weighing gold and silver using digital weighing machines. This is a steel utensils shop, and look at this machine used here. And this is also a digital weighing machine. Look at this machine. This is very beautiful, right? This also shows the weight in digits. Now children, Lata is a 4th class girl. She checked her weight and also the weights of her family members. You also check your own weight and also the weight of your mother, your father and your siblings too, and record their weights in this table. Children, after weighing, Lata is thinking. See what she is thinking. My weight is 22 kgs. My father's weight is 3 times my weight. Children, now how many kgs of weight does Lata's father is? Children, here Lata's father's weight is not given. Only Lata's weight is given, and a hint is given. That hint is father's weight is 3 times more than of Lata. Now let us calculate the weight of Lata's father. Lata's weight is 22 kgs. Lata's father's weight is 3 times of 22 kgs. That means 22 multiplied by 3 gives us 66 kilograms. Thus, the father's weight is 66 kilograms. Children, in this way you also can calculate the weight of your parents in terms of your weight. Children, look at this picture. In this picture, we can see a balance. One side 1 kilogram of weight is kept, and the other side 1 kilogram of cotton is kept. Children, which is more heavier? 1 kilogram of cotton or 1 kilogram of weight? Which is more heavier? This might be more heavier, right? The cotton might be more heavier because it is a very big packet, right? This weight is small. Yes, children, you are right. Both the weights are equal. This packet is big, but it is not heavier than this weight. Sometimes we get confused with the shape of the objects, but on measuring those objects, we will know their actual weights. Children, in our kitchen also, we buy many groceries every month, and we bring some groceries in larger quantities and some items in lesser quantities. Now, let us see worksheet. Groceries purchased in kilograms and in grams. Children, some groceries are being given and their weights also given. Let us see. Rice, 10. Children, what do we understand by this 10? Yes, is it kilograms or in gram? Children, when we buy rice, we buy in kilograms, right? We do not buy rice in grams. So, 10 kilograms. And look at the sugar. Sugar is 2. 2 means 2 grams. 2 grams means only half a spoon. No, we do not buy sugar half a spoon, right? Yes, we buy sugar in kilograms, 2 kilograms. And coming to dal, 500. Children, this 500 is grams only, because wholesale grocers buy 500 kilograms of dal, but we only buy 500 grams of dal. Haldi is 250 grams and mustard seeds are 500, that means 500 grams. In this way, we buy groceries to our kitchen according to our needs. The items which we use on larger scale, we buy in heavier quantities, and the things which we use less, we will buy in lesser quantities. When your mother makes a grocery list, observe the items and their weights written there. It is time to do some worksheets. Name 4 things usually bought in grams. 3 kgs of rice is equal to dash grams of rice. Next, 7 kilograms and 500 grams of wheat is equal to dash grams of wheat. Children, here you have to convert this 7 kilograms into grams, and then you need to add this 500 grams to get the total grams. Next one, 1250 grams of onion is equal to dash kilograms and dash grams of onions. Children, look at these questions. A boat can carry 300 kgs weight. If the weight of the people in the boat is 120 kilograms, how much more weight can the boat carry? Next question. How many grams of rice is used to cook at your home daily? What is the total quantity of rice used at your home for a month? Is it more than 10 kgs or less than 10 kgs, children? And try to collect the given item weight, your school bag, pencil box, your pet, 1 liter water bottle and a cell phone, and record their estimated weight here. Then measure their actual weight and record in this column. Then compare the estimated weight with the actual weight and write the difference here. Then you will know how closer you have estimated. Children, with this I conclude our lesson. I hope you understood the lesson well. Let us meet in another session. Bye bye.